Let's paint some lupine on this page. We're going to make these leaves a little bit more bluish green than the other flowers we've painted. So mix your two greens and then dab in some brown and blue. Have fun filling in the stems of your flowers. Remember, it's really okay if you don't stay in the lines. To paint these leaves, apply pressure to your brush and then release. You may want to practice on the extra page in your book. Now on to painting the lupine blooms. Let's mix a wine color using reddish maroon, blue, and a dab of brown. Okay, finally to the fun part, y'all. You're going to dab your brush, overlapping some of the strokes and leaving some on their own. This is a really good time to experiment with using different shades of your wine color. You might even want to add in some bright purple. Now it's time to try a fun background. Add water to your green so it's watered down. Slowly brush a wash over and around the lupine. I suggest trying to leave a little bit of white space. You really can't go wrong here.